This is my 1980 Ski-Doo Blizzard 5500. Got it a few years ago. It's actually about the third or fourth sled I bought it. And when I got it, it ran, but it had some issues. I ended up having to rebuild the whole engine, needed new crank seals, new pistons. So I got that taken care of. Fixed up the paint a little bit, but since then I've broken the hood hinge mount, and she's taken a few hits here and there, but it's a driver, so it gets run pretty good. Right now the suspension's sitting up kind of high for the Blizzards. It's because there's no shock in there. Just taking the shock out, I gained a few inches of travel just because let the suspension sit up higher. It actually rides pretty decent without a shock. Put some grip tape on the running boards there for more traction. It's got operational hand warmers actually. It's the only sled I have right now that the hand warmers actually work on. It's got the low windshield that's been painted black. Had a custom paint job on the hood too. There's the Rotax 503. Runs good since I rebuilt it. It's been a very dependable sled. When I rebuilt it, I ended up using Kimpex pistons in it, which I normally don't use. I don't think they're as high as quality as some other ones you could get, but I got them so cheap on eBay, I figured I'd give them a shot. And knock on wood, so far they're holding up all right. Still got the stock square shaft clutch. Doesn't not the best, but at least it gets me around. Stock air box and everything. And even though the rest of the sled's pretty rough, the handlebar pad's in exceptionally good condition.